Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Vinny the Handyman. Today's video is part 2 of the swamp cooler maintenance job that I'm doing. In this video, we're going to be replacing this bearing that went out in this swamp cooler. So let's get to it. Okay, so now we're going to get ready to install a new bearing. This is the old setup that's there. So basically we'll be putting on a new one right here on this rod. Now you can get a variety of sizes from the hardware store. These ones I got from Ace Hardware. For some reason they carry them and Home Depot doesn't, or you can order them from Amazon. So you have your 1 inch, 5/8 and 3/4. I believe this one's probably gonna be 3/4. And I also got this lubricant, which is nice, and this basically fills in at the top of the bearing. So make sure you guys do this at least once a year to make sure that's nice and lubricated. Alright, just so this thing can slide on easy, we'll put some lube on the inside. Okay. That's the old one. Okay, so now you want to get your two flywheels matched evenly. Looks like mine can go in just a little bit more. There we go. Alright, so once you have a nice matchup, now you can put your new fan belt on. Okay, so it's probably easier to come from up top. So slip that on. Okay. So you got on the bottom flywheel. Now we're gonna put it up top. Just nice and tight. Okay, so now we got our belt on. Again, you just want to make sure everything is in line so it's not cockeyed. And then once you determine that it's in line, then you want to tighten down this Allen head screw. Okay, so everything's completed. This is on nice and tight. You just want a little bit of play on your tension there with your belt. So other than that, that's pretty much it. If you have to adjust your belt, then do it from the motor. Just loosen up the bolts up under the motor, and then this can pull back more if you need to. But that's pretty good right there. So all right guys, that's it. Okay, so that concludes this video. Hope you guys are able to follow along on installing this bearing. Not too bad, just takes a little bit of time. So if you guys like this video, please subscribe, hit that like button, and leave a comment if you guys were successful in your bearing replacement. Remember to stay confident, and you guys can tackle these small jobs too. I'll see you on the next job. Take care.